wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best nebulizing diffusers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the ptahtex driving kit is designed for small spaces like your car and comes with a special blend that will help you stay alert. It creates a fine mist that will circulate through your vehicle's vents and can even help remove bad odors. The battery lasts for 15 hours and it offers 3 output levels. However, it uses plastic tubing. At number 9, the compact diffuser world Aroma Ace has clearly marked run, rest and output dials so that anyone can program it in a snap. This model can fill a surprisingly large room when turned up all the way, but it will run through your oils quickly on its highest setting. It's available in 5 colors and connects directly to small bottles, though it's not very stylish. Coming in at number 8 on our list. With the 2 cents portable, you can just twist in a 10ml bottle and go. Plus it comes with 2 empty vials for decanting scents from larger containers. This one functions without cords, and the rechargeable battery can last for up to 50 hours. It comes in at a budget-friendly price, however it is best for smaller rooms, and it leaks if tipped when moving it. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nebulizing Diffusers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for homes with a more contemporary decor, the sleek Labs tabletop is crafted from polished metal and glass and comes in 3 colors. For best results, the company recommends using it with their own oils because they don't contain any additives. It cycles on and off to save oil, and you can shut it off automatically after 2 or 4 hours, but it's not silent. Moving up our list to number 6, the beautiful organic aromas Dark Radiance displays an intricately cut glass reservoir that won't corrode when using citrus-based blends. The base is constructed from plantation hardwood that's painted with a water-based lacquer that won't off-gas. It features optional rainbow mood lighting and helps remove foul odors. However, it uses up oils quickly. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Pilgrim Collection Sofia comes with 2 glass reservoirs, so you can conveniently change the scent you're enjoying without having to clean anything right away. It has 2 lighting modes, including one that slowly dims and brightens to help you meditate. It comes with a handmade ceramic cover and an oak wood base, but it makes a constant low hum. At number 4, the ultra-portable Organic Aromas Mobile Mini 2.0 fits in your car's cup holder and includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery along with the required micro USB cord. It features a sleek aluminum casing with a glass reservoir that removes for easy cleaning. It boasts a long battery life and an automatic shut-off after 2 hours. However, it is expensive for its size. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you have business premises that you'd like to smell great or would like your entire house covered without having to buy multiple devices, the 3 Drops of Life connects to an HVAC system for whole building distribution. A 500ml bottle of oil will last about a month. It's easy to install and includes a digital timer and display, but it does require a large upfront investment. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nebulizing Diffusers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Organic Aromas Opulence is a powerful option that can cover a room of up to 800 square feet. It comes in a neutral white with clear glass, so it blends in with any decorating style. Plus there's an optional LED light that lends a soft glow. It's also offered in black and features a whisper-quiet operation along with a 1-year parts and service warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the aromis Orbis Luxe Merus features a built-in timer that cycles on and off at 10-minute intervals to help your scents last longer while still keeping your room smelling great. The glass is hand-blown and there are no plastic parts that touch your oils. You can choose from 3 glass shapes, all with a natural beechwood base and an adjustable aroma output. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Nebulizing Diffusers, or simply click beneath this video.